Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you today? Today we're gonna revise bodies of water and we're going to do page 16, 17 and 18 from our booklet. So what are the bodies of water? The first one is the oceans. So oceans are deep and large body of salt water. So oceans are salty. Then we have the fresh water like in lakes, ponds, rivers, and streams. Also we have fresh water in glaciers, but it's frozen. Lake. A lake is a body of fresh water that has land all around it. Ponds. A pond is a body of fresh water that has land all around it, but it's smaller than the lake. Rivers. A river is a body of fresh water that flows or moves. Streams. A stream is a body of fresh water that flows and moves, but it's smaller than the river. Glaciers. Glaciers are large sheets of ice. So the water here is solid, frozen. Glaciers flow slowly. We talked about rivers, and where do rivers begin? Rivers begin in the mountains. When the ice melts, rivers form. They end in the oceans. Streams end in the rivers. So like this stream, the stream is flowing into this river. So streams end in the rivers, and rivers end in the oceans. Now let's open page 16. Write the body of water under the correct picture. Let's write them. So what is the first picture? It's stream. What about the second one? This is frozen water, okay? So it's glacier. The third picture is the ocean. And the last picture is the pond. That's right. Now let's go to page 17. Circle the right word. Number 1 is a body of water that is surrounded by land, but it's smaller than a lake. What is it? That's right. It's the pond, because this one is surrounded by land. Number 2 is a body of fresh water that moves, but it's smaller than a river. It's the stream. Number 3, frozen water can be found in glacier. Number 4, most of the water on earth is in ponds. Oceans are continents, of course, oceans, because continents are lands, and ponds is so small, or are so small. Now let's go to the last page. Here we're gonna write true or false. Number 1, both the lake and the pond are surrounded by land. Is this right? Yes. So let's write true. Number 2, the pond is bigger than the lake. Is this true? No, it's false, because ponds are smaller than the lakes. Number 3, The pond is smaller than the lake. That's right, so this is true. The pond is smaller than the lake. Number 4, rivers and streams don't flow or move. This is false because rivers and streams flow. Number 5, streams are smaller than rivers. This is true because streams are smaller than rivers. So this is it for today. We finished lesson 3. We're gonna see each other next time, inshallah, when we start lesson or unit 2. Goodbye.